Hi guys, in this video let me teach you how can you fix your Alight Motion app keeps crashing on your Android and iOS. So without further ado, let's get right onto it. So first things first, you need to check if you are updated to the latest version of this app because that might be the reason why it keeps crashing. If not, and it's still crashing guys, then go ahead and press and hold the app here and app info here. Tap on that and make sure that on your restrict data usage that all of the Wi-Fi mobile data and mobile data SIM too if you have another SIM are all enabled like what I have here, and make sure of that. So once done with that, you just have to tap on the data usage here, make sure it is having no data, go over to storage here, go over to clear data here, so clear cache first, okay, and go ahead and clear all data and hit okay. So what this does guys, it will reset the app entirely, or it will reboot the app because that will fix the issue on crashing, because it will basically soft reboot the app and you can use the app normally again. So make sure guys to check if this works for you, and that is all for today. Thank you for watching guys, and goodbye.